You think I don't want to cut it out?
Make me leave. You can't stay still.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click that bell to be notified whenever I make a video. So guys, in today's video, for today's Vlogmas video, we're going to be doing my Christmas festive season bucket list. So I've done bucket lists like in summer and all, but I've never done a Christmas one. So I decided this year I wanted to do a Christmas bucket list or a festive season bucket list, whichever one you want to call it. Alright, so you know, my bucket list as a Jamaican, we don't have snow down here, so it's kind of different from the ones that you might find on Pinterest and all of that. So I've put together some things that I want to do for the Christmas season. So without further ado, let us get into this video.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it.
Alright, so I have 17 things on my bucket list that I would like to do for the Christmas. And the first one is I want to complete Vlogmas fully. Now, as I said in my first video, my first Vlogmas video, I want to do Vlogmas from the 1st to the 26th. So I'm hoping to do 26 videos fully, and I'm hoping that it will work out this year. It has never worked out. I think probably 1 year almost, but yeah, I want to do it fully this year. The next thing on my bucket list is to make my gadgets Christmas themed. Now, every time there's a like summer or Christmas, I always try to put my phone or my tablets, my computer, well, not necessarily my computer, I've never done my computer, Christmas themed. So this year, hopefully very soon, before the Christmas season ends, I can get my my phone and my tablet into the Christmas theme. So yeah, I'm hoping to get that done. So that's on my bucket list for this year. The third thing on my list is make Christmas cards. Now I've kind of done some of this already, as you guys will see in my weekend vlog, which will come out very soon in this, yeah, I think it's next week. I did some Christmas cards, me and some of my coworkers. We did some Christmas cards for a home. So we did start making Christmas cards, but I also want to make some more Christmas cards for like my family and for my friends. So yes, I want to make some more Christmas cards. So yes, the fourth thing on my list is to make eggnog from scratch. My sister has always wanted eggnog. She loves eggnog, but she wants to try the original eggnog, and I'm hoping that I can actually make that for her. So I'm gonna like look up a recipe and I'm gonna make the eggnog from scratch, which hopefully if I do make it will be on the vlog, so you guys will see that. So if you know of any like recipe or anything like that, comment it down below. Now comment it down below. All right, so the next thing is to try Christmas snacks. I'm not sure like what they call Christmas snacks. The only thing I'm thinking of right now is like candy canes and like Christmas cookies. So if you have some Christmas snacks that you'd like me to try, I'll try my best to see if I can find them in Jamaica. So you can comment them down below and I'll go out and buy them, probably make a video of it as well. The next thing is to try holiday drinks. Now I am a lover of Starbucks. Chef kisses. No. I just love milky drinks. I can't go to Starbucks and drink refreshers. Like, I don't have anything against them because they're nice, but I'm more of the milky kind of drink kind of person. So I want to try some holiday drink because most times when I go to Starbucks, I stick to my favorite stuff, which is like strawberry cheesecake and just like strawberry one. And they have the vanilla bean and like those kind of drinks. Like I just stick to the normal ones. I don't try anything new. But this year I'm hoping like one of the days we just go out as a family and we try 4 Christmas drinks, so each of us just take one and I try them on camera for you guys. So I'm hoping to have those for the Christmas season. I've never tried any of their holiday drinks. I was going to try their pumpkin spice drink, which they have out in October, and I've never tried it. So I'm hoping to try like the Christmas ones, you know. Comment some down below so I can know what to try, like what to ask for. So you can comment some down below so I can know. All right, the next thing is that I want to bake cookies. Last year I baked cookies and it was amazing. It didn't turn out the best because it was my first time making the ones that you do the cutout ones. It was my first time making those. So this year I'm hoping to make them much better, and I'm hoping that me and my sister are gonna have a decorating cookies competition. So yeah, I want to do that this year. That would be fun. So yes, I'm hoping to do that this year. All right, and the next thing is to bake Christmas cake. I do this pretty much every year, so this is definitely gonna have to be on the list for this year too, because we're gonna be baking some Christmas cake. And Christmas cake meaning the fruit cakes. That's the one I'm talking about, the fruit cakes. All right, the next one is to watch some classic Christmas movies. Now, I'm not necessarily the movie kind of person, but there are some movies that I just love to watch. So I love animated shows and all of that. So I want to find some animated Christmas movies, and I also want to watch my classic Home Alone movies, like and Grinch, and you know what I'm movie there. So I don't think I'm gonna do a movie bucket list one. I think my sister will do that one, so I'll link her down below. So yes, I want to do Christmas movies, and I want to start that very soon. Like exams are starting on Monday, so I don't have any more teaching to do, so I will kind of have a little more relaxing kind of vibe going on, so I can start watching movies. So I'm hoping to start watch them as of Sunday. So fingers crossed we get to watch a movie on Sunday. All right, so the next one is to make s'mores. I've always wanted to make s'mores, but I can never find the graham crackers that we use to make them. So I am really hoping that I can find that so that we can make s'mores. So fingers crossed. All right, and then next one, the 11th thing, is to have a Christmas themed photo shoot. Now, I love to take pictures. We all know this. We love to take pictures, and I'm hoping to have like I found a picture which I'll insert right here of like a photo shoot challenge. So you take a photo of a tree, a Christmas tree, photo of different things. So I'm hoping that I can actually have that photo shoot, and when I do take those pictures, they'll be on my Instagram, which is right here, Brass Baby Girl. So you guys should go and follow me so you can see all those photos that I'll be taking and all of that. So yes, like. The next one is to decorate my house and tree for Christmas. Now, Christmas is not gonna look like Christmas if your house does not look like Christmas, you know? So we had a whole agenda on cleaning the house, but everything has just been pushed back because of all the work and all of that. So I'm hoping to get that done by the next weekend coming, because it's Saturday right now. So we're hoping to start today and finish like next week Saturday, so that we can get our tree and our house looking Christmassy. So yes, so neither my house is decorated nor my tree is up, so when I do get that up, then you guys will get that. So yes, I'm hoping to get those done for the Christmas season. And that follows the next thing on my bucket list, is to get my room all decorated for Christmas. Now, I put this separate because my room normally, you know, clean up and look, I put on like a green sheet, a red sheet, something. But I want to put more decorations in my room. I want to buy some decorations just for my room. So I want lights up in my room. I would like some like garlands, and you know, just different decorations all over the place in my room. I just love Christmas, and I want my room to look like Christmas. You get it? Yeah. So yes, I want to decorate my room, deck it all out for the Christmas. All right, so the next thing is to go see the lights. Now, when I love to see like Christmas lights, and I love seeing them, how people just decorate their house and all of that. I love seeing it. So there's a place in Kingston that we normally go, the Sovereign Mall, and I'm hoping this year we can actually get to go. I think last year we didn't get to go because of how late we got to Kingston, so we ended up just going shopping and then just coming back home. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, we get to do that this year. So that's on my bucket list because we want to do that this year. So yes, the next part is to have a Christmas glow up. I want to get all dolled up for the Christmas. I don't know what I'm doing yet, so I want to get my lashes done. I wanted to get my lashes done for my birthday, and no, from summer, and it did not get done. I didn't get to do it, so I'm hoping that for the Christmas I can get my lashes done. Hoping. And then I also want to get my nails done. I want to get my hair done, and you know, just glow up, look all pretty and all for the Christmas season. So that will be done like probably in the latter part of December, nearer, like closer to Christmas Day. Yeah. All right, so the 16th thing, I'm just switching up which one comes first. The 16th thing is to have more family time. Like, for example, for trips, I want to have trips. I want to do movie times. I want to have dinner with my family, breakfast with my family. I want to do bakings with my family. Just spend quality time with my family. Now, Christmas is supposed to be a time of love, of family, of just being together. And I want to spend time with family, both immediate and otherwise. So I'm hoping that this Christmas will be fun. We will have some lovely family time. We normally have fun family times like movies. We normally watch Home Alones together. Last year we did that. So I want us to do that again because my family just love the tradition of watching Home Alone. So I'm hoping that this year we can actually get to watch that again this year. So yes, that's what I want to do. I want to have some quality, loving family time. And then the last thing on my list is to focus on me and to focus on my happiness. Now, the past few months, like in summer and that, my mental health wasn't doing that well. And right now, I think it's time for me to focus on me. So I'm hoping that for this Christmas season, I can focus on making myself happy and just focus on, you know, just enjoying my favorite season. So I'm hoping to be happy for the entire season. That is why I said in my first video that I'm not gonna to worry about, you know, views and all of that for Vlogmas and not stress myself for Vlogmas, because like we want to be happy for the season. We don't want to stress, you know? We don't want no too stressing. So we're gonna focus on being happy, and vlogging makes me happy, but you know, the whole algorithm don't make me happy, but the vlogging makes me happy. So making videos for you guys makes me happy. So I'm gonna just focus on that. For those who want to enjoy it, y'all are gonna enjoy it with me. All right, yeah. So that is the end of my winter bucket list, my festive season bucket list. Those are the things that I want to do or get done for the Christmas season. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below some of the things that you're planning to do for your Christmas season, so I can, you know, kind of flick a bit. So tell me down below, you know. Again, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. Like this video, share, and leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.